560 feet of lakefront on Chinikee Point. Scenic view sunrise to sunset. Classic Craftsman 2-story open floor plan with two-sided stone fireplace. Covered porch overlooking plush level lot, high ceilings. First time offered in 40 years. This property brings the privacy, space and opportunity to enjoy all 4 seasons of lake life on Lake Hopatcong. 1 hour to NYC. Enjoy boating, fishing, bathing in deep water sandy bottom swim area in a protected cove. Camp out on your own private island. Sip lemonade from the covered porch and enjoy the lake breeze. Fall boating, winter skating, snowmobile, cross-county ski or visit area ski spa golf resort. Local train service to downtown Morristown's cultural center or visit local shops and restaurants by boat or car. Vacation resort in your own backyard. View floor plans, aerial and tours.